The crypto market is feeling the heat, guys. Welcome back to the channel. SUI is hitting new all-time high after new all-time high, along with some other top altcoins, and it's being fueled by the Trump election win. So as SUI continues to climb higher and higher, it recently set a new all-time high at $2.38. But with President Donald Trump in, Bitcoin has hit $80,000. Ethereum continues to go crazy. Cardano has awakened from its slumber. And SUI, the new kid on the block, which we've been talking about for a very, very long time, ever since it was well under $1, is continuing to show explosive growth, guys. We're at $2.95. We just got up to $3.15, $3.14. That's where we topped out. That was our all-time high. Here's the thing. FX Street called this 3 days ago. Okay. They basically said we're likely going to hit right around 315. Look at this. SUI eyes the $3.15 mark after hitting a fresh all-time high. We found support around the 50-day EMA at 181 on Monday, and we just absolutely went insane. SUI is, to me, the Solana of this bull run. That's what I've been saying. I mean, who knows, right? Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody has it all figured out. But I have been eyeing SUI for a really long time. I've been stacking it because I know what Solana was able to do in the previous bull cycle. SUI is very, very similar. We're seeing a ton of developer activity, a ton of new people coming into the market, finding new layer ones, and they're going into, these big cryptos. The interesting thing, SUI is VC backed, kind of similar to Solana, but it has the community as well. I think this is the key element, right? You can have the VC backing, which I think you kind of need in order to get out of the gates and really become a top 100 crypto. But then you also need that retail demand and really that community. And SUI has formed that. Now, there's a lot of other things I want to get to in this video because a lot of people are wondering, Zach, when should I take profits? What's going on? As you guys can see, look at this. Insane growth since September 12th. Look at this. We're up 178% since our last momentum up flashed. This is my trading indicator, guys, XT Algo. This was a buy signal way down here at $1.05. $1.05. This was the moment where the buy signal flashed and it said, hey, SUI is going to be in an uptrend here. Look out. And look at this. We're up 178%. Now, we actually climbed up to that $3.14 mark, and we are hitting some resistance, and we'll get back into that in a minute. And I'll tell you guys where I think we're going to go because I don't think we're done just yet. But there's going to be pullbacks. And when we look at SUI, this pullback makes a lot of sense. This is on the hourly chart. You guys can see we wicked up here to about 315, 316. We're coming back down here in the last 2, 3, 4 hours. Because we got really, really hot on the RSI. Traders are taking their profits here. This is going to be, across the board with altcoins. Anytime you get up over 70 on the RSI, look out because this is where traders will begin to take their profits. Now, are we done in this bull cycle? Is SUI going to top out at $3? I don't think so. We've talked about this before. I think we can go much, much higher. I think we could even go up to $15 at some point this cycle, which I know sounds crazy. But right now, SUI sitting a little bit over an $8 billion market cap. I still think there's a ton of room left in this bull run. Now, there's going to be ups and downs, right? There's going to be ebbs and flows. There's going to be pullbacks in the market. You guys can see what's going on right now. Market's up 5%, but look at this. Cardano up 38%. SHIB up 33%. Caspa 31%. Here's SUI. 26%, one of the top 5 gainers. Look at this. We own all 4 of these cryptos, guys. Doesn't that feel good? Cardano, top holding of mine. SHIB, Caspa, top 5 holding. SUI, top 5 holding. This is a great, great moment, man, when you look at this and see what's going on. But here's the thing, guys. We're in store, I think, for a bull run into 2025. Nobody knows exactly when it's going to end. But we've been talking about this for days. Set your profit-taking strategy now, right? On all these cryptos, have a plan in place. And when it comes to SUI, we'll kind of dive into where we think we can go after this. Before we get there, one of the things that makes SUI really unique right now is the data showcasing SUI's TVL increasing from 892 million to well over $1 billion on Thursday. This is total value locked. An increase in TVL shows that the SUI blockchain is becoming more active. It supports the bullish view by indicating that more users are depositing or using assets within SUI protocols, and that is at an all-time high right now. Okay. Now, the on-chain activity is heating up. I don't see it going away. Where do I think we could go? Well, if we go to our website here that we like to use, it's called the Coin Perspective. This is a great way for you guys to kind of set your profit taking points, right? So right now, we can set in there, like, let's just put in a $5 price target. That puts SUI at a $14 billion market cap. I think we're going to get there at some point this cycle. Let's just say we 10x from these levels to get to a $30 billion market cap. I don't think this is out of the realm of possibility this cycle, guys. If you look back what Solana did in the previous cycle, it 100x'd from the bottom to the top. And if you look at SUI where we started from, right? If you take, if you just say this cycle, let's say, go back into the 1 week here. This will give us a better time frame. If you think this cycle kind of started, in 2023, let's just take, 20 cents or something like that, right? A 10x from 20 cents is $2. So, I mean, we're already kind of getting in there, right? 15x is kind of where we are right now. I think there's still legs to go here. I'm eyeing around a $15 to $20 SUI this bull cycle. I know that sounds crazy, but people love the new shiny objects, right? And this would be a $29. I mean, even if we go conservative and say 15, we're sitting here at a $42 billion market cap. If we get to a $15 SUI, I think this is within the range here for SUI. Who knows though? Do not take my word for it, but this is kind of where my profit taking strategy is. Now, I already took some profits on the way up. I already got my basis back from my initial investment when we set previous all-time highs at 237. That was my plan, to win the trade. Now I'm 100% in the profit and I'm moving up from there, right? So it's a lot easier to do that once you lock in your gains, lock in your profits. But man, we're going to be tracking this. SUI looks absolutely phenomenal. They got meme coins now on the blockchain as well. There's a lot to like about what's going on in crypto right now, guys. Just remember, have a plan. Have your profit-taking plan. It's going to be different for every single person. And stick to your game plan. Stick to your script. And enjoy this ride, man. It's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you guys do subscribe to this channel. We're going to be putting out content every single day. And again, XT Algo, easy trading made simple. If you guys want a trading indicator that works, I showed you guys where it flashed the momentum up on SUI a little over $1. It's a great opportunity right now to get in, set your alerts. I walk you through how to use this. It is a 30-day money-back guarantee. A little over $1 a day gets you started. It's going to maximize your gains in crypto this bull cycle. xtalgo.com. Use the discount code X in the description for 21% off the prices you see on screen. Let's go, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll see you guys in the next one.